In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create monthly recurring tasks in Notion using a simple reset button. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, dependable routine where your monthly tasks roll forward with one click, so you can stay organized without rebuilding your checklist every time. First, set your report day. Open the report date setting page in your setup. This page controls when your monthly cycle flips over, so think of it as the anchor date for your routine. Type the day of the month you want your tasks to reset. To keep things consistent across short months, use a number between 1 and 28. If you like everything to refresh on the first, enter 1. If mid-month works better for your workflow, choose a day like 15. Once you've typed your day, you can simply close the page. It auto-saves, so there's nothing else to press or confirm. Next, add your tasks. Open the monthly recurring tasks database. This is the master list of things you want to see every month. Click New to create each task you want to repeat, such as bills, budgeting, planning, cleaning, subscriptions, or admin routines. Give each task a clear name and, if your template includes fields for notes, categories, or effort, fill in whatever helps you track it. You only need to set these up once. The reset button will handle the monthly refresh for you. When you're ready to begin a new cycle, find the box that says, "Click to start new monthly cycle," resets completed tasks, and advances to next period. Go ahead and click the button. Behind the scenes, it will reset all completed tasks, move everything to the new month, and update your dates automatically. Any tasks you didn't finish will carry forward, and completed ones will be cleared so you start with a clean slate. This keeps your list tidy and focused without losing track of what matters. From here on out, just repeat this at the start of each new month. Open the same page and press the same button to refresh all tasks. It's that simple. If you set your report day thoughtfully, your reset schedule will stay predictable. And if you ever adjust your routine, just edit or add tasks in the database. The reset button will continue to manage the monthly rollover for you. And that's how you create monthly recurring tasks in Notion using a simple reset button. No plugins, no coding, just click once every month.